my channel. Today I would like to share with you speaking part 1 topics, the topics of September to December 2020. So part 1 के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ, ठीक है। मेरे को कई बच्चों का मैसेज आया था कि आप मैम हमें पार्ट 1 के क्वेश्चंस भी प्रोवाइड करें जो सितंबर टू दिसंबर में जो बिगिनर्स हैं, जो आइल्स का एग्ज़ाम फर्स्ट टाइम दे रहे हैं, उनको भी थोड़ी अभी पार्ट 1 में भी डिफ़िकल्टी आती है। एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली मेक वीडियोस इन माय अपकमिंग वीडियोस अबाउट द स्पीकिंग पार्ट 2, ठीक है। पार्ट 2 के भी मैं प्रोवाइड करूँगी सितंबर टू दिसंबर के क्यू कार्ड्स। तो आज जो वीडियो रहेगा वो हमारा स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1 पे रहेगा। सो आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस द क्वेश्चंस विद यू। फर्स्टली द टॉपिक्स कौन से रहेंगे? सेलिब्रिटीज़, चेंज, कंसंट्रेशन, एजुकेशन, फर्नीचर, होम, होम टाउन, हरी, जोक, लिस्ट, लिविंग, पिकनिक, स्लीप, स्पोर्ट, स्टडी, टेक्सटिंग and weekend. So now I would like to discuss each and every question with you. Have you ever met a famous person? Why do you want to meet a famous person? Would you like to be a famous person in the future? ठीक है। If you have any doubt in the questions, you can ask me in the comment box. अगर आपको लगता है कि हमें कोई क्वेश्चन मैम समझ नहीं लग रहा तो आप मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हैं कमेंट बॉक्स में। I will definitely reply, right? Do you like the changes? The topic is changes. Do you like the changes? What do you plan to change next year? Are there any changes to your work? Have you changed a lot since your childhood? Now next topic, concentration. Question is, when do you need to be focused? Can you concentrate on work during the noise? Is it difficult for you to stay focused on something? What do you do to help you concentrate? What is the best way for concentration? What may distract you when you are trying to stay focused? Now next, where do you study? What do you study? ये questions तो simple ही रहते हैं। Why did you choose that subject? Do you like that subject? Is it a popular subject in your country? Is there anything unexpected about your study? What are the main aspects of your subject? What are the main aspects of your subject? After that, if you had the chance, would you change the subject? What's your favorite subject and why? Is there something that helps you study efficiently? What is more important for you, lectures or friends? What facilities does your university provide? Is there anything you want to change in your university? Do you plan to get a job in the same field as your subject? Okay, now come to the next questions. Do you have a lot of furniture in your home? Has anyone bought a piece of furniture for you? What kind of furniture would you like to buy? Which furniture in your home do you like the best? Okay. Now come to the next topic. Do you live in a house or a flat? Why do you live in an apartment or house? How long have you lived there? What do you enjoy about your place? What is your favorite room? Do you plan to live there in the future? What kind of accommodation do you wish to have in the future? Can you tell me about the house that you lived in when you were a child? Where is your hometown? What is your hometown like? Do you like your hometown? Why? How long have you been living in your hometown? Do you often visit your hometown? What did you like about your hometown when you were a child? Has your hometown changed much since you were a child? Do you think your hometown is a good place to bring up children? What changes would you like to have in the future? Is there good public transportation in your hometown? Will you be moving away from your hometown? So students, these topics are from September to December. These are very important topics for the part 1 of the speaking module, right? Do you like to be in a hurry? Do you like to finish things quickly? Do you usually go out in a hurry? What kinds of things would you never to do in a hurry? What do you always do in a hurry and why? Why do people make mistakes more easily when they are in a hurry? Are you good at telling jokes? Now, do you friends like to tell jokes? Do you like to watch comedies? Do you make a list when you shop? List, new topic आया है ये list जो है September to December 2020 के लिए न्यू टॉपिक है लिस्ट का जो है. डू यू मेक अ लिस्ट व्हेन यू शॉप? व्हाई इज इट इम्पॉर्टेंट टू मेक अ शॉपिंग लिस्ट? डू यू मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ योर वर्क? डज इट वर्क? व्हाई डू नॉट सम पीपल लाइक मेकिंग लिस्ट? नाउ नेक्स्ट, where are you living now? Do you like the area that you live in? What do you like most about your area? What do you dislike in your area? What are some changes in the area recently? What can be improved in your area? What facilities are there in your area? Do you know any famous people in your area? Do you intend to stay in this area in the future? Now, picnic related. Do you like picnics? Where do you go on a picnic? How do you enjoy a picnic? Did you go on a picnic when you were a child? How often do you go on a picnic now? Now, how often do you stay up late? What do you normally do when you stay up late? How do you feel in the morning after staying up late? Do you stay up late as a kid? Do you think you will continue to stay up late in the future? Do you like sports? Sports related. What is your favorite sport? What sport did you like to play when you were young? Do you prefer team sports or individual sports? Who are your favorite sports star? Why? Would you like to go to the Olympic Games? Are you a fan of any sports team? Why? What kind of sports is popular in your country? Where do you study? What do you study? Why did you choose that subject? Do you like that subject? Is it a popular subject in your country? Is there anything unexpected about your study? What are the main aspects of your study? If you had the chance, would you change the subject? Now, next, what's your favorite subject? Why? Is there something that helps you to study efficiently? What is more important for you, lectures or friends? What facilities does your university provide? Is there anything you want to change in your university? Do you plan to get a job in the same field as your subject? Do you like, now new topic, texting, right? Do you like texting? How often do you send text messages, students? Okay, firstly I would like to discuss, after that I will tell you. Do you prefer sending or receiving messages? Have you ever received a confusing text message? Have you ever had difficulty replying? Is there any chance when texting someone is better than calling him? Now, how do you usually spend your weekends? Did you do anything special last weekend? What will you do next weekend? Which is your favorite part of the weekend? Do you think weekends are long enough? What do other people in your hometown usually do on weekends? Students, I hope this video will definitely beneficial for you. You can you have to learn, or I can say that prepare these topics for the speaking part 1. I hope this will definitely help you for your exam, and you can able to score good bands even, right? If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, and if you need any answer of these questions, you can again message me in the comment box. I hope students, I hope guys you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please press on the bell icon. Thank you so much.